afternoon, guys. Thank you for watching my channel. Today I'll be making Sri Lankan spicy chicken curry, the Sinhalese version. So basically for that you need about 600 grams of chicken. It's cut, washed, and you would need half an onion sliced, 3 cloves of garlic chopped, 1 small piece of ginger, pandan leaf, lemongrass, 3 pieces of chilli, some curry leaves. Also you would need, I have here about 1 teaspoon of pepper, small stick of cinnamon. I got goraka. I got 2 cloves and 1 cardamom. And the spices, what you need is half a teaspoon of turmeric, 3 teaspoons of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of tunapaha, which is the curry powder, and salt to your taste, and 2 tablespoons of oil, and 1 cup of water, and just a little bit of tamarind juice, about 2 to 3 pods juiced. So now what I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to put all the spices, let the chicken marinate for at least 45 minutes to an hour in the fridge. So basically what I need for that would be half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 3 teaspoons of chili powder, half a teaspoon of tunapaha, which is the curry powder, and I got about 1 teaspoon of salt, and then I'm gonna put in the tamarind juice to marinate with it, and along with that I'll be adding the cinnamon and the 1 teaspoon of pepper. So basically what I will be doing is mix this up really good, wrap it up, and leave it in the fridge for 1 hour. So I'm gonna let this marinate. After 1 hour, I'm gonna make this this curry. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Also add the piece of goraka along with the chicken so it marinates well in the fridge. Okay guys, so my chicken has been marinated for an hour. So I'm gonna get ready to cook, and I'm gonna show you how to do this chicken curry. So basically I have about 2 tablespoons of oil in here. The first thing I'll be putting in would be some garlic. Fry that up a little bit on high heat. And then I'll be throwing in the cardamom and the cloves, along with my ginger. Alright, so I'm going to be putting in my onions. So I'm going to be putting the pandan leaves, the curry leaf, the chili, and the lemongrass. So I'm going to let this saute for at least 2 to 3 minutes. Okay guys, so onions, everything has been sauteing for about 2.5 minutes now. So I'm going to go ahead and add in marinated chicken. Stir it up, mix it up well. Let this fry in the oil for about 3 to 4 minutes. Okay guys, so it's been frying in the oil for about 6 minutes. So what I'm going to be doing right now is just stir it up, stir it very well, and then I'm going to put it on medium heat, close the lid, and let it cook for about 3 more minutes. Okay guys, so it's been frying for about 5 minutes on medium heat, about actually 7 minutes. And now what I'm going to be doing, showed you earlier the 1 cup of water. I'm going to be adding this 1 cup of water, mix it up. Going to be putting it on, just still on medium heat, close it up, cook it for a good 15 to 20 minutes. Okay guys, so my curry has been simmering for about 20 minutes to be exact, and this is it. It's almost done. Smells really good, and please, you guys must try this recipe, and please do not forget to subscribe and hit like. I will see you in another video. Thank you.